Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacy, and in today's video I have for you another great Walmart haul. We have a couple pairs of shorts, a new shirt, a pair of sandals, along with a dress, and at the end I also have a outfit remix per a subscriber request, so I'm excited to share that with you guys as well. Let's get started. To make everything easy for you guys, I'm going to put everything in numeric order. We're going to start out with number 1. I will have the number pop up on the bottom of the screen. Write down the number that you like. Scroll down to the description. Find the number. Click on the link. It will take you directly to that item on Walmart's website. So for number 1, we have this short sleeve, flutter sleeve actually, crew neck top. It is in like a chambray finish. It does have nice little ruffling on the front that also continues on the back as well. You will notice there is a little like button back there along with a key opening. And again, this is more like a light denim finish. Did order this in a size extra small. I paid $12.98 for this top. It is also available in a dark wash and a pink finish as well. Very cute, nice soft top. Let me bring that material in so you guys can get a good look at that material there. But yes, this is a very soft top. Can't wait to try this on. And I'm actually going to pair this with number 2, and that is another Time and True brand. These are the white utility shorts. They have 2 pockets in the front along with 2 pockets in the back. And then you have a nice little coin pocket right there in the front for you. I did order these in, let's see here. These are in a size 4. I paid $16.98 for these shorts. They are available in like 12 different colors as well. There is an elastic waist right over here. Let me turn this around. There is an elastic waist on the side here. And you also have the cuffed seam as well. This is sewn in, so you can't actually take the seam, you can't roll these down. So this is actually sewn in together. Have a button along with a zipper in the front, a button and zipper in the front right over here. There's actually 2 buttons in the front. Let's try these on and see what they look like. Check out this outfit. This is perfect for spring and summer as well. I paired it with these ankle strap shoes, which I'll share with you about those at the end of this video, but I just like the feel of this shirt. It is definitely very soft, nice and flowy. The pockets in these shorts are a good length as well. I can put my whole hands in here, but definitely very comfortable, lightweight, relaxed fit material. I would recommend sizing down in these shorts because they do have that elastic waist. There is a little bit more room in here. I ordered a size 4. I'll most likely order these in a size 2 next time because, you know, you could definitely have a little bit more of a better fit. Otherwise, I feel like they might loosen throughout the day, but really just like the way these look. These are available in 12 different colors as well, but check this out. Isn't that nice? I decided to tuck in the entire shirt because it just had such a flowy, relaxed fit. I feel like it looked a little bit, more, just looked a little better all tucked in. But let me show you if you opted to do like the half tuck, which I think is still cute. And then here is completely untucked so you guys can see the length as well. But yeah, this is a very cute outfit. Love the color combination, so definitely recommend this one. All right, now on to number 3, which is another pair of shorts from Time and True as well. I did order these in a size 4. These are a mid-rise pair of denim shorts. They are a 4-inch inseam as well. And I ordered these in a blue floral. Let me bring this in closer so you guys can see that nice floral design. I thought, aren't these the cutest with the little floral design? I thought that was really pretty. It does have, let's see here, it's a double rolled cuff. So a double rolled cuff. It is sewn in, so this does not come off at all. But yeah, not bad. And what did I pay? I paid $13.98 for these shorts, so you can't beat that price. I'll be pairing these shorts with this Time and True navy blue bodysuit. I actually shared the details on this in a previous video. I will link this below as number 4. So let's try this on and see how it looks. Our second pair of shorts. These are great shorts, guys. I really like these shorts. I just like the little floral design in them as well. I think this is great to pair with a white top as well. You could even get away with wearing like a black t-shirt because there is a little bit of black in here as well, but a very nice, comfortable pair of shorts. These are in a denim finish. It does have a more fitted feel, so I would recommend sizing up. It is double cuffed at the bottom, which is sewn together so you cannot roll these down. But overall, I think this looks really cute. Definitely like it with these sandals. And like I said, I will share the details of these sandals at the end of this video, but I also think this would be great with pairing with a pair of white sneakers as well. They're a nice soft denim, definitely move with you, so really excited with these guys. You can't beat that price. We paid $13.98 for these shorts, but definitely a nice pair of shorts to have and to add into your summer collection. Now on to number 5, which is this cute little woven dress from Time and True. Let me bring this in close so you guys can see the pattern in here, but it has beautiful little floral pattern. It does have the notched collar, which finishes down to like a little lapel and then all buttons all the way down the dress. It does have a little tie waist, and there's more like an elastic waist as well, if you guys can see that too. But again, I'll just bring it in closer so you can see the, the cuffed sleeves right here. I paid $17.98 for this dress. It's also available in a couple different colors too, so let's try this on and see what it looks like. This dress is so cute, I have to say. I think this is one of my favorite spring dresses. I like the floral design. I like the collar on it. It's nice and flowy. There are no pockets, unfortunately, but overall I think it's such a cute dress. Just having this option to add a little bit of a tie here just really does something, I think, for my particular shape as well. You can also untie this because this is a part of the material. It is attached. So see how this comes just like that, and you could tie it in the back if you prefer to do more of a tie in the back there. So let's see what that looks like there. You know what? Actually not bad. That looks cute like that too as well, but I think I prefer more of the tie in the front. So let's bring it back into the front right over here. But guys, this is a really cute dress. It does come in other colors as well, a couple other colors as well. But overall, not bad for less than $20. I think, you know what might look great? I'm gonna change these shoes and try these with a pair of boots. So let's see what that looks like. I love this dress with these boots. I think this changes the overall look altogether. Definitely like this dress. I think it actually looks better with these boots versus the ankle sandals. Leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think, but this dress is just definitely very cute. Definitely like the way it feels. I like how it's just flowy and moves with you as well. Now I paired it with these black slouchy boots that I actually ordered from Walmart last September. If I'm able to find them on their website, I'll link it below. If not, I'll find something comparable. But I feel like, you know what, overall together, I just think it looks perfect. More of a finished, polished look with these boots. And for our final outfit, we're actually doing a remix. I actually shared this jacket in a previous video. I will link that below, but this is the Free Assembly blue jacket. I paid $34 for this jacket. A subscriber requested to see this jacket with this beautiful floral top from the Pioneer Woman, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's gonna be a great color combination. I can't wait to share that with you guys. So let's try it on, see what it looks like. I'll be right back. This color combination is perfect. Thank you so much for that suggestion. I really like how this looks. Let me back up so you guys can see the entire outfit. I did pair it with those white Sofia Vergara jeans, but guys, with this jacket and then this floral shirt from the Pioneer Woman, just a perfect color combination. I left the jacket unbuttoned. I had taken off the belt, and overall, very happy with this. If anybody else has any other outfit remixes or suggestions or anything like that, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, but this one 100% love this one all together. And for number 9, the sandals I was wearing today are from Time and True. I paid $14.98 for these shoes. They are the braided ankle sandal. It does have the nice memory foam footbed. It has a braided finish right over here, which is more kind of like a straw braid feel. It is lined underneath, so it's not scratchy. Now, normally I wear a size 8.5 in sneakers. I do wear a size 9 in sandals, so I would stay true to your sandal size. I did order these in a size 9. They fit great. It does have the nice little ankle and the little button closure right over here. This is a very soft material. And yeah, overall, very cute shoes. They're also available in a black and red as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep shining and keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.